Okay, I'm going to do a before and after on my FN509 Tactical. I have an Apex trigger for it and don't have anybody here that can swap them out for me, so I've watched all their videos and I think I'm going to do it myself. Give it a shot anyway. I'd like to have one of their fixtures, but they're out of stock for 3 months or 3 weeks and I'm just too impatient. So first, start off unloaded and to see what the trigger pull is on this a couple times before. 6 3/4. Uh, 7 pounds. Try a little better here. See if that does any different. A little over 7. Okay. Back to it in a minute. Alright, the Apex Trigger website has some good videos on this. I've watched them all multiple times. You're supposed to drive this from right to left on this one. Got several different punches. Ground the tips of them flat. I have my nice ball peen hammer. Get them square on there. Directly down. Perpendicular. Nothing. Yeah, it's budged. Yeah, it's moving. Thing looks good. Now that I've got it moving pretty good, I'm going to swap punches. A little awkward holding that. It's coming. It's out. It wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it might be. Alright. Woo-hoo! Remove the fire control block pin. Fire control pin. 3/32 from right to left. Can't tell when I'm on the pin. Moving the trigger pin. Alright, everything else is done. Time to put the pin back in. Went pretty smoothly, I will say. But watching that on the video, those parts look a lot bigger than they actually are. That video's magnified, so when you get down to it, much smaller than it looks. Looks pretty darn lined up. Tap. Whew, nerve-wracking. Whew. Get enough light to what I'm doing. Do not want to slip. A little bit, tiny bit more. Tiny bit more. Push. Do a safety check. Trigger doesn't fire. All right, here we go. Damn, that ain't right. It's much lighter. I can't tell why the scale's not doing right. Feels significantly better. I mean, it's a huge difference. I don't know why I can't get my trigger. Holy moly, I mean, it's a huge difference. I don't know why my trigger scale is not working right. Won't hang on there properly for some reason. A little trigger safety, I think, is throwing it off. Here we go, see what that does. Yeah, that was like less than 5 pounds. Here we go. Yeah, less than 5 pounds, way smoother. Oh, it's a huge difference. Woohoo! Off to the range.